Boom boom babies. Hello, little friends. Today, we're going to learn the numbers from 1 to 10 and how to spell them. Are you ready for some fun? Let's get started.
Let's start with the number 1. 1 is spelled O-N-E. 1. Next we have the number 2. 2 is spelled T-W-O, 2. Now let's learn the number 3. 3 is spelled T-H-R-E-E, 3. Let's count to 4. 4 is spelled F-O-U-R, 4. Here comes the number 5. 5 is spelled F-I-V-E, 5. Next up is the number 6. 6 is spelled S-I-X, 6. Let's move on to the number 7. 7 is spelled S-E-V-E-N, 7. Now it's time for the number 8. 8 is spelled E-I-G-H-T, 8. Here comes the number 9. 9 is spelled N-I-N-E, 9. Finally, let's learn the number 10. 10 is spelled T-E-N, 10.
Great job, friends. You've learned the numbers 1 to 10 and how to spell them. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you next time for more fun and learning. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. We've got plenty more exciting adventures and learning experiences coming your way. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.